How to install Fanmio app? Let's just tap get it, and this is like the Rising Sports app, and this app has some unique events where you can just see some events on demand and then just get access. However, this app is not that popular yet, so I'm not sure if it was just built for one event and that's it, or it will be available also in the future. But as you can see, this is the fights with Logan Paul and Mayweather, or just Arnold, and this is basically what was the event. And then you would be able to view the events through this app, and that's it. So there is no other events or nothing else, so just this. And yeah, that's where you can just watch it, but then there aren't any other events. I don't know if this app is owned by Logan Paul or Jake Paul or Paul brothers, but there you have it. Just install it, and then you will be able to use it and buy your access to these videos.